Bad prints aren't always your printer's fault. Moist filament is often the real problem. Please watch this video till the end, because today I'm revealing the top 5 best filament dryers, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one is the best for your setup. Whether you print with PLA, PETG, ABS, or nylon, this list is carefully researched to help you eliminate moisture issues and improve print quality. I'll cover real performance, heating efficiency, features, and the biggest advantages of each model. Let's start the countdown. From number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. Creality Space Pi Plus. The Creality Space Pi Filament Dryer Plus is a dual spool dryer designed for consistent filament storage and drying. It features 360-degree heating with an internal fan and a touchscreen control panel. It supports multiple filament types, including PLA, PETG, ABS, and TPU. Review highlights. This dryer is a solid choice for everyday users who need reliable moisture control. It maintains stable temperatures and improves print consistency. Pros: dual spool capacity, 360-degree heating with fan, touchscreen control, compatible with multiple filament types. Number 4. SUNLU SP2. The SUNLU SP2 is designed for larger spools, supporting up to 3 kilogram filament rolls. It offers a maximum temperature of 70 degrees Celsius and features fast heating within 15 minutes. It also doubles as a storage box for long-term filament protection. Review highlights. This dryer is ideal for users working with large spools or engineering materials. It heats quickly and maintains stable drying conditions. Pros: supports up to 3 kilogram spools, fast heating in 15 minutes, 70 degrees Celsius max temperature, works as storage and dryer. Number 3. Creality Space Pi X4. The Creality Space Pi X4 is a high-capacity dryer that can handle up to 4 spools at once. It uses a 110-watt PTC heater with 360-degree rapid heating and features an LCD touchscreen. It supports a wide range of materials, including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, and nylon. Review highlights. This is a powerful solution for serious users who run multiple filaments. It provides even drying and excellent temperature stability. Pros: 4-spool high-capacity design, 110-watt powerful heating system, 360-degree uniform heat distribution, easy-to-use touchscreen. Number 2. Creality Space Pi Plus. The updated Creality Space Pi Dryer Plus features dual spool capacity with adjustable temperatures from 45 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. It includes 360-degree hot air circulation and real-time humidity monitoring. It also comes with 12 preset modes for different filament types. Review highlights. This dryer offers a great balance of smart features and performance. The humidity monitoring and presets make it easy to get optimal results. Pros: dual spool drying system, real-time humidity display, 12 filament presets, adjustable temperature control. Number 1. Chitu Systems E1. The Chitu Systems E1 is a premium filament dryer designed for serious 3D printing setups. It supports up to 4 spools and features independent dual chambers with auto humidity control. It's compatible with advanced materials like nylon, ABS, TPU, PETG, and PLA. Review highlights. This dryer stands out for precision and control. The independent chambers allow you to dry different filaments at the same time, making it highly efficient. Pros: 4-spool capacity with dual chambers, auto humidity control system, independent temperature zones, compatible with advanced filaments. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing drying performance, capacity, features, and overall usability, the Chitu System's E1 filament dryer stands out as the best filament dryer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.